And I got this like box of, or this thing is, it's from Christmas. It's got like a, it's, you know, it's one of those gift basket things with a bunch of stuff. We're gonna try some stuff out from here. So, first thing is mini Rattel cranberry sesame cookies. Ooh, they smell pretty good. No, not bad. Not bad. Chocolate cherries. They gotta be good. The chocolate cherry. Dark chocolate covered almonds. They're also always good. Delicious, actually. Fantastic. Hot and crunchy. These are gonna be, I already know what these are gonna taste like. It's like a hot and crunchy trail mix. Yeah. Just as I thought. Delicious. Passeri El Tiramisu Truffles. Tiramisu Truffles. The hell? Oh. Oh. Ooh. Oh. Fancy. Foil wrap. Tiramisu Truffles! Of course! Vanilla fudge with sea salt. I don't think I've ever had. No, what the fuck? Oh, God. Vanilla fudge. What is with this box? Oh. It's like individual candies. Underground Fudge Company. Oh, I can already tell. Is this like a caramel? No, it's a fudge. It tastes like a caramely fudge. What is it? Maxims de Paris. Les crêpes dentelle chocolat noir. Probably butchering that one. I have no idea what this is from France. Oh my God, these boxes suck to open. Europeans really know how to. Oh, okay. Not what I expected. Looks like a kind of a cookie thing. I don't know. Okay. So it's like crepe. Wow. Whoa. Whoa. Super crispy. Very light. I rather enjoy these. Mint-filled chocolates. Okay. Well, this is probably a mint with a chocolate. I'm assuming. No, it's not. Oh. It's like one of those, what was it called? York patties, peppermint patties. Exactly what it does. I'm skipping this one, but I'll show you the package. It's Italian chocolate. It's straight up chocolate bar. You don't need to open that. Pure butter, shortbread, rounds. Oh, individual cookies. Look at this. I thought this said Wankers. This is Walkers. These things are pretty good. Well, the mint is still overpowering though. Almond toffee. I'm gonna skip this one. Don't really want it. La Grande Gallerie. French butter cookies made with butter and sea salt from France. Viva la Resistance! Ooh, they smell decadent. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, God. They're good. That tin you can get with all the butter cookies in it. I can eat those all day long. Belgian coconuts macaroons. God, I'm not eating this whole cookie. I'm getting diabetes. Pretty good. Coconut chocolate. I think go well. Oh, unless you don't like coconut. Tastes like an Almond Joy. I'm not even getting into this. It's like an assortment of miniature bullshit. There is a Toblerone bar. Those are some I got into, but we all know what that tastes like. You can buy these at CVS. But here's the good stuff. In a tray full of sweets, the last thing we pull out is smoked salmon. So, let's open this bad boy. This product is fully cooked and vacuum sealed. Do not use contents if unopened pouch is leaking or has been damaged. Refrigerate after opening. This is like the golden ticket. I got the golden ticket. Right? Here we go. Oh, juicy. It smells like, yeah, it smells like cat food. Hey, look at that. Smoked salmon. It's really good. It's really fucking good. That's a good lunch right there. I do like a smoked salmon though. I think because I'm part grizzly bear. Yeah. So, we got a lot of sweets. A little bit salty. Overall, I'm quite happy. Christmas basket. Ooh, love you all. Peace.